Imagine you're walking in the rainforest of Colombia, enjoying the sights and sounds of nature. You see a colorful frog sitting on a leaf, and you think it's cute. You decide to pick it up and take a closer look. But as soon as you touch it, you feel a sharp pain in your hand. You drop the frog and look at your palm. It's covered with tiny droplets of blood. You realize you've just made a terrible mistake. You've picked up a golden poison dart frog, one of the most poisonous animals on Earth. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I explore the amazing world of animals and nature. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about some of the deadliest and most poisonous animals on Earth, and why you should never mess with them. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support. Now, let me tell you a story. Imagine you are on a tropical island, enjoying the sun and the sea. You decide to go for a snorkel in the clear blue water, hoping to see some colorful fish and coral. You put on your mask and fins, and dive into the water. As you swim along, you see a beautiful shell lying on the sand. It looks like a perfect souvenir, so you reach out to pick it up. But as soon as you touch it, you feel a sharp pain in your hand. You look at the shell, and realize it's not a shell at all. It's a cone snail, one of the most venomous animals in the world. Cone snails are small marine snails that have a cone-shaped shell and a harpoon-like tooth that they use to inject venom into their prey. Their venom is so powerful that it can kill a human in minutes, and there is no anti-venom available. Some species of cone snails have enough venom to kill 10 grown men with one sting. They are found in warm tropical and subtropical waters, especially in coral reefs and rocky areas. They are usually nocturnal, and feed on fish, worms, and other snails. You drop the cone snail and try to swim back to shore, but it's too late. The venom has already spread through your body, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and cardiac arrest. You lose consciousness and drown before anyone can help you. This is just one of the many scenarios that could happen if you encounter one of the deadly animals on this list. These animals are not evil or malicious. They are just defending themselves or hunting for food. But they have evolved some of the most potent toxins and weapons in nature, making them extremely dangerous to humans and other animals. So let's take a look at some of these amazing creatures, and learn more about their biology, behavior, and venom. The first animal on our list is the deathstalker scorpion. This is a species of scorpion that lives in arid regions of North Africa and the Middle East. It grows up to 10 centimeters, 4 inches, long, and has a yellowish-brown color with dark markings on its back. It has large pincers and a long tail with a stinger at the end. The deathstalker scorpion is one of the most venomous scorpions in the world. Its venom contains a cocktail of neurotoxins that affect the nervous system, causing intense pain, convulsions, fever, coma, and death. The venom is especially dangerous for children, elderly people, and people with heart problems or allergies. There is an anti-venom available, but it is not widely distributed or accessible. The deathstalker scorpion is mostly active at night, hiding under rocks or in burrows during the day. It feeds on insects, spiders, lizards, mice, and other scorpions. It can detect its prey using its sensitive pectines, comb-like organs, on its underside, which sense vibrations and chemical signals in the air or on the ground. The deathstalker scorpion is not aggressive towards humans, but it will sting if provoked or stepped on accidentally. It is also known to glow under ultraviolet light due to the presence of fluorescent substances in its exoskeleton. The next animal on our list is the carpet viper. This is a species of viper that lives in dry savannas and deserts of Africa and Asia. It grows up to 1 meter, 3 feet, long, and has a triangular head with large eyes and fangs. It has a variable color pattern that can be brown, gray, black, red, or yellow with dark bands or spots. The carpet viper is one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Its venom contains hemotoxins that destroy blood cells and tissues, causing severe bleeding both internally and externally. The venom can also cause kidney failure, shock, and death. The carpet viper is responsible for more snakebite deaths than any other snake species in Africa. The carpet viper is mostly nocturnal, hunting for rodents, birds, frogs, and lizards. It can move quickly and strike without warning. It is also known to ambush its prey by lying in wait under leaves or sand. The carpet viper is not aggressive towards humans, but it will bite if disturbed or threatened. It is also very common and widespread, making it more likely to encounter humans. The third animal on our list is the cone snail, which we already mentioned in the story at the beginning. This is a species of snail that lives in warm tropical and subtropical waters, especially in coral reefs and rocky areas. It grows up to 15 centimeters (6 inches) long, and has a cone-shaped shell with various patterns and colors. The cone snail is one of the most venomous animals in the world. Its venom contains neurotoxins that affect the nervous system, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and cardiac arrest. The venom is so powerful that it can kill a human in minutes, and there is no anti-venom available. Some species of cone snails have enough venom to kill 10 grown men with one sting. They are found in warm tropical and subtropical waters, especially in coral reefs and rocky areas. They are usually nocturnal, and feed on fish, worms, and other snails. The cone snail is not aggressive towards humans, but it will sting if touched or handled. It uses a harpoon-like tooth that can extend from its mouth and pierce through gloves or wetsuits. The sting is often painless at first, but then becomes excruciating as the venom takes effect. Some people have described it as feeling like a bee sting, a burn, or an electric shock. The fourth animal on our list is the stonefish. This is a species of fish that lives in shallow coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific region. It grows up to 50 centimeters (20 inches) long, and has a brown or gray color with red or yellow patches. It has 13 spines on its back that are connected to venom glands. The stonefish is one of the most venomous fish in the world. Its venom contains neurotoxins that cause intense pain, swelling, muscle weakness, breathing difficulties, and death. The venom can be fatal if not treated within hours. There is an anti-venom available, but it is not always effective. The stonefish is a master of camouflage, blending in with rocks, coral, or sand. It can also bury itself under the sediment, leaving only its eyes and mouth visible. It lies motionless until a prey comes close enough to be swallowed whole. It feeds on fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. The stonefish is not aggressive towards humans, but it will inject venom if stepped on or touched accidentally. The spines are very sharp and can penetrate shoes or sandals. The sting is extremely painful and can cause shock or fainting. The fifth animal on our list is the Africanized honeybee. This is a hybrid of the European honeybee and the African honeybee that was accidentally created in Brazil in 1957. It has since spread to many parts of North and South America. It grows up to 1 centimeter (0.4 inches) long, and has a black and yellow striped body with wings. The Africanized honeybee is one of the most aggressive bees in the world. Its venom contains proteins that cause pain, swelling, itching, and allergic reactions. The venom can be fatal if a person is allergic or stung by many bees at once. There is no anti-venom available, but epinephrine can help reduce the symptoms. The Africanized honeybee is very defensive of its hive and territory, attacking anything that comes too close or makes noise. It can chase its target for up to 1 kilometer (0.6 miles), stinging repeatedly until it dies or escapes. It can also swarm in large numbers, overwhelming its prey with sheer force. It feeds on nectar and pollen from flowers. The Africanized honeybee is not intentionally hostile towards humans, but it will attack if provoked or disturbed. It can mistake humans for predators or competitors for food sources. It can also nest in urban areas, such as walls, roofs, or trash cans. These are just some of the deadly animals that you should avoid at all costs. But there are many more out there that can pose a threat to your life if you are not careful. So stay tuned for the next part of this video series, where I will tell you about 5 more animals that can kill you with their venom. The Brazilian wandering spider, the black mamba snake, the poison dart frog, the blue-ringed octopus, and the Komodo dragon. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content about animals and nature. See you next time.